Yo, you're off.
Dirt, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're gonna catch her.
Start dragging
Oh!
Pride in the kisser. Show that knight who's boss.
Alright, they're looking pretty fire. We got them right here, and we're about to try it. Let's go. I'm gonna get the biggest one, so it better taste good.
Alright, Nick. So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So touch your toes. Now spell run 3 times.
R-U-N. R-U-N. R-U. Hold up, man. What the fuck is you got me saying?
Y'all told me to just, oh my God. What is ladies? Calm down. Calm down.
Yeah.
A little bit of champagne.
The champagne.
Yeah.
The scotch.
Yeah, a little scotch. Damn, okay. Dang, bro. If I have too much scotch,
So
I'll have Down syndrome, bro.
So